copyright strike for that. Welcome to another low budget tutorial here. Today I've decided to set up a camera on a tripod and get an SM57 out of the cabinet here and set it up on a stand. Figure I'd give you a little bit better production value today. You know why? Because you deserve it. I love you.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Tonight I'm going to show you how to back up your Kurzweil K2700. So go ahead and get the thumb drive that you used in the last video and stick it in the back of your unit right now. Once you've done that, go ahead and hit the global key, and you'll see one of the tabs at the bottom is labeled File. Hit File. Now when you're on this screen here where it says thumb drive detected, go ahead and hit Store. Now it said found 72 user objects. That will vary depending on how many objects you've created on your machine. Objects can be patches, they can be samples, they can be effects chains, they can be key maps, and a couple other things too, but I forget. Anyway, mine says 72. Yours will probably say something else. So now we're on the screen where it says please select an option. Now, we could click on advanced here, and we'll get a list of all the objects that we have loaded on the machine. As you can see right here, I've got all the Yamaha DX7 patches that we loaded in the last video, and then there's a couple of extra things here on the end. There's a couple of effects chains and a song, but we're just going to hit back and get out of there. All we need to do right now is select all. So hit all, and then on your thumb drive, you'll see the root directory of your thumb drive. It's a good idea to go ahead and create a directory, particularly for backups on your thumb drive. And I've done that here. There's a directory called BU. So we're going to select that and we're going to hit open. So now we're in the backup directory. And the first file listed here is a backup that I did last night. But what we're going to do right now is we're just going to click OK. And now we're going to give this a name. So it's a good idea to give these a sensible name. And I'm going to call them BU and then the date. So I like to do the year first, 23, and then the month. So I'm going to select 1, 2, and then the day. Today is the 17th. So this is going to be 1/7, like so. Then we're going to hit OK. Now it's letting us know that it's stored all the objects there. It went that quickly. So to test this out, we can click load over here, and we can go into the BU directory, click open, and now we see there's two files there. There's one for yesterday and one for today. Like I mentioned in the previous video, when you do a firmware upgrade on this machine, it clobbers all of your settings, all of your patches, and anything else you've got loaded in. So it's a good idea to have a regular dump of everything that's on your K2700 at any given time. And when you do this, if you make it a point, if you use your machine every day, you should probably back it up every day. If you use it infrequently, maybe a week or every month is fine. But anyway, you just want to have a regular backup strategy going on here so that you're not caught in a situation where you've lost valuable work that you've done. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below, and I'll see you in the next video.